In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Elementor in WordPress. Whether you're a seasoned website builder or just starting out, Elementor is a powerful tool that can elevate your website design to the next level. Today, we'll walk through the process, ensuring that it's both simple and effective. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for all things WordPress, where you manage your posts, pages, and plugins. If you're new to WordPress, don't worry. Simply open your web browser and head over to your website's admin URL. Enter your login details, your username and password, and access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. This is where you'll find everything you need to manage your website. Next, we'll head over to the Plugins section. On the sidebar of your dashboard, navigate your way down to Plugins, and when you hover over it, you'll see an option that says Add New. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page filled with plugins, which are essentially add-ons that provide extra features and functionality to your site. What we're looking for specifically is the Elementor website builder, so let's search for it. In the search bar, located at the top right corner of the screen, type in Elementor website builder. As you type, WordPress will automatically start searching its vast repository of plugins, providing you with a list of options. Elementor is incredibly popular, so it should be one of the first results you see. Once you spot it, it's easy to identify with its distinct logo and name. Now, let's get Elementor up and running. There's a blue Install Now button located right next to the Elementor website builder. Click on that, and WordPress will begin the installation process. You'll see a small progress bar indicating the status of the installation. Once it's complete, this button will change to say Activate, clicking. Activate is crucial. Installing the plugin is only the first step. Activation actually enables the plugin's capabilities on your website. Think of this part as flipping the switch to turn on the new features you want to use. Once activated, you will notice a new item has popped up in your WordPress admin sidebar. It's the Elementor menu. This new menu is your gateway to all things Elementor, allowing you to start creating and editing pages with unparalleled flexibility and creativity. And there you have it. Elementor is now integrated into your WordPress site, ready for you to unleash your creativity. You can now start designing beautiful, engaging web pages effortlessly. That's it for today's guide, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.